Hey folks, so it's been a while since I recorded a video. Just wanted to knock out some quick picking, then gotta record another video with some shout outs, but so I'm picking a well, that's cute. It wasn't that easy before now. It's okay. So the key on, it says smart. Oh, it says smart on one side of the key and what's Tau on the other. Other than that, there's no branding on the lock, and it's, what is it? It's not a pin tumbler. It's a wafer lock, I think. I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll probably post this on Thursday. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.